everybody. We got 200K, okay. And let me tell you something, okay. Booty hole still be a little tight, okay. Cause we did get some Onyx last pack opening. So let's just go ahead and dive in there.
Let me start. Cause every time I start, we pull Onyxes.
Okay.
True.
Let's see.
It's true.
Nothing. Come on, knock it out, knock it out, knock it out, knock it out, knock it out. Last time we did 200K, what did we get? I think we got Chris Paul last time, didn't we? 200K. So this right here should be a good sign here, guys. It should be a good sign.
You got somebody, too. I forgot who.
I got a feeling, bro. I got a fucking feeling. I got a big ass motherfucking feeling. I feel like today when I pull something, it's gonna be a big ass motherfucking pull. I feel like it's gonna be a big, sweet Pussy Thursday. Give me that. I think DeMar DeRozan gonna be in the Ruby packs as well. I think. Trash.
Who?
West. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The only team I'm fucking gotta get a whole lot of goldies though. The only teams I'm fucking worried about, guys, and keep 100 guys, the fucking Spurs and the motherfucking Warriors, bro. It's the only team, bro. I feel like with the Bulls, it can be 4-2 series. Alright? I feel like it's gonna be a 4-2 series, guys. And I'm keep 100, right? I know a whole lot of Bull fans out there who want to sit there and do one threaten is whatever, threaten my lifestyle. But I'm keeping 100. I'm keeping it 100. The fucking Warriors and Spurs are on the teams that I feel like that can actually have a chance of beating motherfucking Cavs. And that's keeping it 100, bro. It's for you, baby.
What if we don't pull anything?
Oh, Dwight. We got big Dwight.
Y'all might have to worry about the Rockets.
You couldn't give us a goddamn motherfucking Onyx window? You couldn't get a throwback window? Huh? You get the potato? Huh? Don't start!
Kevin Love!
God damn, some fucking goldies though! Hey! Anyone you motherfucking devs, you need to increase this motherfucking three-pointer, cuz. Increase this motherfucking three-pointer. That bitch, she motherfucking 92, nigga. God damn, nigga was hitting shit. Who? Somebody who knocking shit down. Boy, he dove with that poison, boy. He knocked all the walls loose. We get some.
Al
damn.
Jefferson.
We get some motherfucking goals though. We getting some fucking goals. You would have to run our goal spree. You would have to run our goal spree. Here we go. I don't want the fucking goals. I don't want no fucking goals, please. I don't want no motherfucking goals. Give us some goddamn motherfucking throwbacks, please. Give us some goddamn throwbacks, alright? We done with that shit.
Yes!
The best troll card in 2K history. Why haven't you retired, bitch?
Wow.
Fuck!
Why should that be the only one we pull?
Damn it! Fuck!
You always get Rudy Gay.
That is the most trolled card in 2K. The Andre motherfucking Miller. That motherfucker is good for shit. Guys, that card.
Isaiah Thomas. Wow.
He pretty good though. He
didn't have him. Babe, doing that ain't gonna help you.
So out of 200K, we only gonna pull one ruby. I mean,
Onyx.
one throwback. And we got the troll of the troll cards. We got the troll of the troll cards. Here we go. Out of $50 motherfucking dollars, they gave us one motherfucking throwback card. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done.
Well. Well.
This was the complete waste of a fucking $50 fucking bill. This is fucking pathetic. This is fucking sad. This is demoralizing.
Demoralizing.
Last one. Since you went first. $50. $50 motherfucking dollars. One troll. And we got the troll of the trollers.
Technically,
We got the Kappa face.
we opened how much earlier for the YouTube?
That's YouTube. I'm talking about this right here.
I know.
So basically spent $100.
Yeah.
And basically got nothing but shit. That's how 2K do us, bro. They don't give a fuck about us, bro. They say fuck your feelings. Fuck your wallet. Fucking sad. Fly, I just went into a strip of raw dog. I'm burnt. Thank God for watching the motherfucking pack opening. We got fucking burnt, nigga.
We got burnt.
Everybody give us
How about them Bulls? They're in double overtime.